Hello everyone. In this video, we'll try to understand what is list, right? So we already discussed about string. What is string? String is a sequence of characters, right? So which we already discussed here, right? So this particular TJA will be stored in a sequence so that you can access it using indexing, right? As it's stored in a sequence, this T, the character T will be always at the 0th index, right? And the E will be at the first index, right? Because it is stored in a sequence. In a similar way, the list is also a sequence, but it won't store as a string, right? Let me show you how the values in the list will be stored. So we'll use square brackets, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, right? So in a list, you can store a similar data type, or you can also store the combination of different data types, right? Okay, we have double comma here, right? So as I said, the values in a list is stored in a sequence, so you can access these values using indexing, right? The similar way we have seen it in the string. So if I say L of 0, I'll get the first one. L of 1, I'll get the second value. As I said, right? So index will start with 0. 0 means first letter. 1 means technically the second one, right? Let's say if you want to get the last one, similarly you can say L of minus 1. You'll get the last value, right? Similarly, as we have, uh, the string slicing, we also have the list slicing. So allow from maybe 1 to 2 I need, right? So maybe I'll say 1 to 3, right? Which is this and this, right? If I say 1 to 4, I'll get to 3 comma Teja, right? You can also add values to the list. Maybe I can say 2 plus, maybe I need to add string. That will throw an error. The one of the ways I can put this as a list with a single value, right? Did you see this? The Vishwa got added, but it's not stored, right? So you just need to say L is equal to, right? Clear? There is another way where you can add, that is called append. Append of maybe Vishwa 1, right? But this time you need not to store, right? Here what we are doing is we are just storing it back. Where in case of append, you need not to store it back, right? It will automatically store in your list, right? So this is append. Append is one of the default method where you can use, you can add a value in a list. Obviously, it will be added at the last, as I told you, because the values in a list is stored in a sequence. If I add in the first and middle, obviously my sequence will affect, right? So that's why by default it will add at the last, right? Right. So append is one of the method as we discussed. We have few more like pop, L dot pop. Did you see? Obviously pop will remove the last one. But let's say if I want to remove the first one, I mean the first, so I can pass the index. Did you see? The one is removed now, right? I can also maybe if I say 0, 1, 2, 3, if I say 3, the 3.8 will be removed. Did you see? Right? So this is called pop. We also have one more built-in method called remove of 3. Did you see? See, when you talk about the pop by default will remove the last word in a list, or else you can pass the index. This 3 is an index, but I want to remove or delete the particular the word, a particular a value. In that case, you can use remove. Remove, you can pass the value. Here I said remove the 3, right? So I'm just saying boss remove the Teja. Did you see? Right? So pop by default it will remove the last you know the last value in the list, or else you can pass the sequence. So 3 is a sequence, wherein remove will take the exact word or exact value in a list, right? There are few built-in methods. So let me do this, right? Now, one of the thing is we have sort. Did you see all the values are sorted, right? The another one is reverse. Sorry, come on, reverse. Did you see it actually reversed, right? So now this is my list, right? So let's say if I say 1 into 2, L into 2. Did you see it? It came two times, which is the list is repeated, right? It doesn't mean that it will, multiply this two with each value in the list. No, right? So we also have a concept called nested list, which means a list inside a list. We'll see that 1 comma 2 comma 3. You'll have one more list, which is maybe 4 comma 5 comma 6, right? Which is a list inside a list. We know list indexing, right? So let's say if I say L of 0, obviously my response is one more list because it's a list of lists, right? And in this first list, I need to access 3, which means 0 is my index for the first list, and to access 3, the index is 2, right? Or else if I want to fetch the last one, I know minus 1 will always give the last value in the list, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.